Innovation in AI is happening at breakneck speed. Every day there is a new tool, and every new tool builds upon the earlier one. In this video, I am going to present just an example of that. This new tool is Easy-Llama. This Easy-Llama tool is built upon llama-cpp-python library. Llama-cpp-python is a Python wrapper for the Llama models, and Llama stands for Large Language Models Meta AI. Llama-cpp-python is a C++ library that enables Python developers to utilize the Llama model for natural language processing tasks. It provides an interface to interact with the Llama model, enabling applications such as text generation, conversation, and language understanding. So this Easy-Llama takes it to another level. This Easy-Llama makes it very easy for the developer to use models locally, especially on the on-device areas, and it makes it as easy to interact with the local models as possible. It is primarily a layer of abstraction over llama-cpp Python, which itself provides the Python bindings for the underlying llama.cpp project. There are a lot of good features of this Easy-Llama. For example, it automatically facilitates arbitrary context length extension. You just need to specify your desired context length, and Easy-Llama is going to adjust the necessary parameters accordingly. A warning will be displayed if the chosen context length is likely to cause a loss of quality. You can simply do terminal-based interactive chat. You can do text streaming. You can do different color text to differentiate user and bot. And there are a lot of good stuff which you can do. For example, you can re-roll the last response. You can swipe it. You can even remove it. You can do programmatic multi-turn interaction. There is a concept of threads in it, which I will show you shortly. Now, another cool thing is that it supports a lot of common prompt templates or formats such as Stanford Alpaca, Mistral Instruct Safe, ChatML, Llama2 Chat, Llama3, Command R, Vicuna LM, Sys, Vicuna Common, Dolphin, Gonako, and many more. You can even extend and duplicate and modify built-in formats. It also handles message-based context length, and it retrieves sorted list of candidates for the most likely next token. It supports all the models supported by llama-cpp-python. So fairly cool, as you can see, fairly extensive too. Now let's try to get it installed, and then we will use it on our local system. So let me take you to my local system. This is my local system where I'm running Ubuntu 22.02.04, and my GPU card is one NVIDIA card where I have 22 GB of VRAM, and my memory is 32 GB. You don't need GPU for this, so I might be running it on CPU, but I just wanted to make sure that you're aware that I have a GPU. Let's clear the screen. First step we need to do, we need to create a Conda environment. Now Conda keeps everything nice and easy, and it won't impact your local system because we will be using llama-cpp-python and few other things. So just issue this command conda create Easy-Llama, and then I'll just use one here just to keep it separate from my rest of the lot. Just press Y, and that is done. And by the way, I am using this version of conda here. So if you don't know what conda is, please search my channel and you should be able to see what conda is. Let's activate the environment. So conda activate Easy-Llama, and then you will see that it is in this parenthesis. Let's clear the screen. I already am in my models directory. You can just simply create the new models directory in your system, make directory models. I already have it. If I do the ls-ltr, I already have a model downloaded from Hugging Face. If you want to download it, simply do wget and the link to the model to the Hugging Face site. Let me quickly show you how you can get that link. Go to Hugging Face, open any model you want to download, go to the Files tab, here the middle one. Once you are in the Files tab, select any quantized version. Let's see first one. Right click on this download and copy the link, and then go back to your terminal and paste that link here. It's not the link, it's the name, so you just need to paste the link. Let me quickly show you the link too. This is a link you need to paste. Make sure there is download is equal to true at the end so that it will download it. Okay, so model is there, and now next thing we need to do, we need to install it. And in order to get it installed, all you need to do is use first you need to install llama-cpp-python because it works on top of it. So let me quickly show you how you can do that. Give me a second, I'll paste my command here. First thing, make sure that you uninstall llama-cpp-python if already installed. I already have it, so I'm going to uninstall it. So you see that it has uninstalled it very nicely and cleanly. And now let's reinstall it by simply downloading it. And this steps takes a bit of a time at times, so let it run. It don't take too long, but sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient with it. The llama-cpp-python is installed. Next step, we need to install the Easy-Llama by simply doing pip install Easy-Llama, and it is going to install it on our local system. It's fairly quick and easy. Okay, so let me clear the screen, and as I said, we already have this model file. Let's use it and interact with it. Simply type Python 3 here, and then first step, let's import Easy-Llama, and then let's load the model from our local disk, and that is done. Let's instantiate the thread for this model with the prompt template for llama 3, and then let's interact with it. So there is this prompt which you can use. Just type with it hi or whatever you want to do, and it is going to give you the response back. There you go, and you can just chat with just explain the happiness, and then it is going to talk with you. And it is running on CPU, by the way. You can also run it on the GPU if you like. It's fairly lightweight. There you go. So you see the response is fairly awesome. And the responses, you see that very comprehensive and nice. You can also do the programmatic chat. So the above one was an interactive one where I was talking to it, or you can simply send your prompt to the thread and it is going to give you the response back. So you see that it has started printing the response about line. And then there are a few other tidbits which you can do, but I think even just this interaction with the models in this lightweight way is quite interesting. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this new tool. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.